Good morning, students. In last lesson, we learned about the animals and their jungle. Animals like deer, lion, tiger, what they do in the jungle, how they run, how they walk, how they tremble, how they prowls, and what hunter do with them, and the forest guard. What forest guard do, what is his duties, we learned in the last lesson. Okay, so now we are going to start a very first poem of our unit 321. There is the key of the kingdom, page number 44. So we are going to see this. In this poem we are going to study from the kingdom. Where is the kingdom, where is the town, where is the city, and where is the street, lane, yard, house, and where is the room exactly where the key is. Okay, this is in a ascending order, and after that in second paragraph we are going to be in descending orders. So now focus on first paragraph. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. See, in a kingdom there is a city. City is smaller than kingdom. Now next line. In that city there is a town. Here town is smaller than city. In that town there is a street. Again street is smaller than town. In that street there is a lane. Lane is smaller than street. In that lane there is a yard. Yard is smaller than lane. In that yard there is a house. House is smaller than yard. In that house there is a room. Again room is a small part of our house. Okay. In that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket. In that basket there are some flowers. Okay, understood? This is the ascending order of bigger to smaller one. Okay, now in next paragraph. Flowers in the basket. See, flowers are in the basket. And where is the basket? Basket is on the bed. And where is the bed? Bed in the room. Where is the room? Where is the room? Room in the house. House in the yard. Yard in the lane. Lane in the street. Street in the town. Town in the city. Again, see, city in the kingdom, and this is the key of the kingdom. Understood, students? Now I am going to just read this poem for you. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom there is a city. In that city there is a town. In that town there is a street. In that street there is a lane. In that lane there is a yard. In that yard there is a house. In that house there is a room. In that room there is a bed. On that bed there is a basket. In that basket there are some flowers. Now second paragraph. Flowers in the basket. Basket on the bed. Bed in the room. Room in the house. House in the yard. Yard in the lane. Lane in the street. Street in the town. Town in the city. City in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. And the writer of this poem is anonymous. Means again unknown poet. Understood, student? Now we are moving ahead toward the activities. Okay. Now things to do. List all things mentioned in the poem in two ways. A. From the smallest to the biggest. From the biggest to the smallest. You get that? Okay. Like you are going to write from biggest to small, from smallest to biggest. The smallest is flower. Then from flower to basket, then basket to the bed, bed to the room, room to the house, and so on. From the smallest to the biggest. This one, question number 1A is solved. Question number 1B, from the biggest to smallest. Again, you are going to write from the kingdom, city, town. Like this, you are going to list the things. Okay? And you have to write this poem in your notebook and share it with me. Thank you so much.